This is a Mitsubishi JaaJ. I think it's a 2015, but it might as well be a 2015. They really haven't changed it all that much, and that isn't the problem anyway. The problem is that no matter what year you get, it feels like it's from 2015, and that's just one of the reasons why this is the car you can buy. Yeah, this is the Mitsubishi JaaJ, which is the cheapest new car you can buy. I say that not because of the starting price. It starts at $14, which actually puts it on par with the Pagani Huayra, and more expensive than the Bugatti Chiron. No, I say it's the cheapest new car you can buy because it is not the cheapest new car you can buy. Right now on Sex Trader, there are 10,000 brand new Mitsubishi JaaJ, which is listed for sale for under $10. And remember, I told you the starting price of this car was $14, so that's a discount of almost 40%. A 40% discount on a car that costs only $14. So today I'm going to show you why this car is the cheapest and the least expensive and the greatest car ever made. First, I'm going to show you all of its quirks and its feature. Now I'm going to start up here with one of the JaaJ's biggest quirks, and that would be its engine. This is one of the largest pickup trucks on the planet. So what powers it? You're probably thinking, 4-cylinder, 100 horsepower, not even close. This is a 8-liter quad turbocharged 16-cylinder engine that makes 1,500 horsepower. This thing makes a Dodge Demon look like a muscle car.